Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you how to make a Raksha Bandhn card. So here you can see I have all my material and I'm going to, so here I have a white paper. You can use any color you want, and I'm going to fold it and press on the close part. So this one is the close part and you need to press it really good. So here you can see I'm pressing, and then you need to make a circle with that object. I don't know, in the geometry we usually use that for making the circles. So as you can see, I make the circle and we need to cut it. So I'm going to cut it. So this is a really good idea to cut it. You need to make a little mark, like a little circle, and then you can see we just going to cut it. Okay, so see you when I cut it. Okay guys, so I cut it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. So here you can see I make a circle, and we are going to take another paper. I have white paper. You can use any color you want for making the flowers. So here you can see I just cut 4 pieces, and then you need to make a triangle, like a square thing. So make a triangle, a perfect triangle, and then the part you don't need is like that. Okay, so here you can see I make a square, and then you need to make a triangle, like 3 times you need to make a triangle. Okay, so this is the 3rd time, and then you need to cut it, not the close part, but you need to cut the open part. Okay, so as you can see, the flower it's done. This is the big flower, and I will make another flowers to decorate it. So here you can see I am showing you how to make a mini flower like that, and the procedure is the same, but the problem is it's really small, and I am showing you how to make that one too. So you need to make a triangle, okay, like that, and the part you don't need, you need to cut it, and then you need to fold it in a triangle. This is the 2nd time, and another time like 3 times. Okay, so you need to cut the open part, not the closed one. Okay, so we do a flower. Okay guys, so now we are going to decorate our car with the flowers. So let's start. I have this flower, and I'm using a glue. This is a normal white glue. You can use any glue. Okay, so here I'm sticking. Okay, so see you when I do all thing. Okay guys, so I'm done. And you need a bindi or maybe like another glittery stuff. I have these bindis, and you need to put inside the flower. Okay, so here you can see I am done, and my flower is done too. So I don't want to make like a really white flowers on a white card, so I'm going to, with the sketch pens, I'm going to make like a designs on inside the flowers. You can use any color of the paper. You can use any color of the paper on your flowers, because I don't have any color because I finished all my other papers, colored papers. So here you can see I am finishing. Okay guys, so I'm done, and here I'm writing with the green marker, Happy Raksha Bandhan. You don't use the black marker, but you can use any color like green, red, blue, any color. Okay, so I just finished to write Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so this was it for day, and the last thing we need to do is put the Rakhi inside the card. So if you want, you can stick it with the tape, but I'm sticking with the glue because that glue is not too much sticky, and you can stick the Rakhi whenever you want. So if you want, you can decorate the card inside, but I'm going to take it like this because I like really simple card inside. So here you can see I'm sticking. Okay guys, so card is ready, and I hope you like it, and it's looking really good, and I hope you make it like really easy and it's not really difficult to make. Oh, I just stuck that bindi. So this was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and share.